Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-daisy day today. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing or an unbagging of two handbags from Kurt Geiger. Yeah, do you want to have a look and see what I got? I had an alert out for a Kurt Geiger bag I had my eye on last year. And then it went, I was just waiting for it to go in the sale, never went in the sale, went out of stock instead, discontinued. And I thought, it's clearly not meant to be, it's not meant to be for me. And then all of a sudden I had an alert from Farfetch to say, this product is back in stock. And I thought, what? Hey, what? Click. Farfetch charge for delivery, and I thought if I'm going to pay full price for this, then I'll see if it's available anywhere else. Is this a fluke that it has come back into stock at Farfetch, or has it been re-released? I found it online at Phoenix, and because it was my first order from Phoenix, I was able to get 10% off. So I bought that bag that had been on my wish list, and another one because why not? Got 10% off. So I've got two bags in here. This is how they arrived from Fennec. This feels like a hard box and this just feels squishy. So we will get into that in a second. Just when I've worked out how to unbag this without breaking it in case they go back, because I'm not 100% certain about these. I've not had Kurt Geiger bags before. Oh, I've just seen a little sneaky peek of the one that was on my wish list. Okay, so I've got two things in here. The first thing I'm going to show you comes in this box. This is tiny, so this is looking way smaller than I was expecting. And this other one is looking way bigger than I was expecting. Are you ready to see what Kurt Geiger bag caught my eye? It's packaged up. I do have my delivery note in there, so that's good to know. I am looking at you, Nick, from Living Life Loud with Nick J. Snell, because I saw him with this bag last year and I immediately went, oh, I quite like the look of that. So I went and looked it up. I put it on my Farfetch, I put it on everything, my Karma, all of those things. Waiting for it to go in the sale, and it never went in the sale, so I missed out. Oh, it doesn't feel how I was expecting it to feel. I'll have Nick's channel linked down below, but if you don't already know him, he is all about, let's go for it. It's a riot of colour, pattern, you name it. And I saw this bag on him and I really loved it. It is the Kensington XXL in nylon, yes. So we've got this amazing kind of graffiti repeated. You can see the repeat in the pattern, so you've got the KG here and the KG here and everything like that. We've got the KG in the sort of metallic silver and a sort of bronzy colour. We've got little rainbows, we've got just like graffiti-esque kind of just stuff on it. One of the things that I particularly enjoyed is the little hot pink neon Odies. Odie being the the friend, if you call him, the friend of Garfield. My all-time childhood cartoon hero, Garfield. I am basically Garfield. I could just eat lasagna and sleep all day. So I particularly loved the little hot pink Odie on there. I thought it was fantastic. Now this is a big bag, and actually seeing it in person, I'm a little bit intimidated by it. We've got the eagle head on here, which sort of sits back into the graffiti. We are very stuffed full. It's a flap with magnets on two sides there. We've got a base that is flat and reinforced, but we've got no feet, so we have no basic human rights there. Another missing basic human right is that there is no back slip pockets. What we do have is this chain strap, which has got a little fabric covered piece here, so I guess that would be on your shoulder, although that looks quite small to be on your shoulder. So it's fabric over the top and it's leather underneath, and I suppose I should tell you that this is made of nylon. And it feels really nice actually, it really does. So you've got this chain strap and it comes through these 4 grommets, 2 on each side, which means you can pull it through, make it a longer strap if you want a long shoulder strap, or maybe it will go crossbody, I don't know, I will try that on. So on the back part of the strap you've got that little leather and fabric piece. On the front part of the strap you have this bit of fabric that's kind of knotted around, and it kind of makes me think of 80s heavy metal or glam rock bands, a little scarf or something tied to the microphone. In terms of the style of the graffiti and everything, I love it. I think that looks very cool. I don't know how I feel about this fabricy bit. I might see if there's a way of untying it from there and then maybe using it separately as like a little hair tie for a little bow, a little pony or something. So yes, so you've got the magnetic opening there and you open it up, and what have we got in here? I have never seen one of these in real life before, so this is all new for me. You've got your Kurt Geiger dust bag, and it's fairly rudimentary. It's just a thing. It's not particularly soft, it's not particularly lovely material. It's kind of almost like one of those sort of throwaway bags that you would get things delivered in. So inside we've got a little bit here that says the Kensington, which is the style of the bag, and I think this is like a flagship style of the Kurt Geiger bags. Lining, almost like a monogram. At the back we've got a slip pocket and then a creed that is in a leather tab that sits on front of the slip pocket, and that reads, Kurt Geiger, London. Inspired by our city, we believe in self-expression, authenticity and distinctive design for the individual who wants to channel their true self. Design is what we do, kindness is what we are. This bag is huge. I think I could comfortably get my work laptop in here. If you are new to my channel, then I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Now, I am not traditionally a big bag carry everything person. Pre-pandemic I probably was a little bit more. When I was commuting I'd take my Alexander McQueen or my Neverfull GN and I'd just carry everything on me, but these days I'm much more of a, I'm nipping out to do something specific and I'll come back. That's not to say that sometimes I don't wish I had a slightly larger bag that I can just chuck everything in. I'm going to have a bit of a play with this because I think I love the bag. Do I love the size? As I am looking at it, it is massive. It's huge. It's way bigger than anything I've had before. Yeah, apart from an actual tote, it is way bigger than anything I've had before. Right, let's go from that one extreme, that huge extreme, to what looks like a really tiny extreme. Was not expecting this. Was expecting it to be smaller, obviously, than that bag, because that's huge. Was not expecting it to be this tiny, and this is in a box tiny. I mean, I looked at this and I thought this could be a fun, like, you'll see when you see it, but I thought this could be fun, but something a little bit larger than maybe my nano baguettes. Look at that box though. Look at that box with the sort of, it's almost like an Art Deco rainbow repeated. Is this going to work? I don't know. I've not been in here yet. So and right. Oh, it really is so tiny. Unexpectedly tiny. Unexpectedly small bag. Oh my god, it is so tiny. I thought this was going to be a bit bigger. I thought it would be about that big, like that big, like that big. Because it's got a slip pocket on the back, and I thought, oh, my phone will go in there. My phone is not going in there. It is. Oh my word. Okay, so the print on it, it's, I don't know. plastic coated, I don't know what this is made of. You've got your eagle head on the front there, as always. You've got your Kurt Geiger London debossed there in silver. You've got your rear slip pocket that is not doing anything for anyone. You've got, okay, so one magnetic closure there. Look, even the care card has been squished to get in there. This is not what I was expecting at all. Right, okay, so you've got a chain strap which looks like it's long enough maybe to go crossbody, but it's also linked here. So I'm guessing you can undo it and you can just feed it through, and then you've got yourself a little clutch bag. Okay, so we've just got this one little... It's so tiny. We've got this one little compartment there. You've got the same creed that you're never going to be able to see and read on the front of... No, not even a card slip pocket. It looks like it's leather lined. I don't know what I'm going to do with mod shots for this one, because I think it is just too small for what I was thinking. It doesn't have much give, it's not malleable, and now I'm wondering if I've just left fingerprints all over it. Although it seems to be fairly resistant to fingerprints, which would be an absolute plus. Yeah. The thing that caught my eye on this is the print. The print is jewels, it's gemstones, it's bright colourful gemstones. You got your pinks, you got your kind of acid green citrine colours, you got your emerald colours, you got your bright blue sapphires, you got your dark sapphires, you got all sorts of cuts and styles of gemstone on here, and I thought that is a fun little riot of colour, and it is so tiny. so tiny. I'm a little bit gobsmacked. For a laugh, I decided to get one of my nanos down. It is not much bigger. I wasn't aiming to go for one of these. I have had my eye on another one of these, but I'm not going to buy it. But I wasn't looking for something like this. I was looking for something a little bit bigger than this. I feel a little bit like kind of Goldilocks. Is this one too big and this one too small, and I need one that's just right? Why is this so small? So yeah, that's a bit of a strange one. At this moment in time, I've got no idea how the mod shots will have gone. I've no idea how much packaging I'm going to take off these, because I have no idea if I am going to keep them. The Kensington XXL in nylon is way bigger than I think I was expecting. It's always difficult to gauge it on other people's frames. And the Shoreditch Extra Small is way smaller than I was expecting. So I might not even take the packaging off, and they might just go straight back. But I will let you know. Hiya, StyledByGwenny here. They are both going back. They are ridiculous. The big one is too big, the little one is too little. I am Goldilocks. I need to find the one that is just right. So that is what I'm going to do, or what I'm going to try and do. Let me know what you think of both of these bags, and until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye. I'm just a tiny little handbag. I'm very, very tiny little handbag. I'm really, really fun and sparkly and everything. And whoa, fee, fi, fo, fum.